If you need help to make a decision before you purchase a vehicle, you can always talk to our staff and request for additional inspection. This inspection is done before the purchase and it has an additional fee to the overall cost. In this type of inspection, you can request and get access to more detailed information about the vehicle you're about to buy, such as basic information written on the web, chassis number, VIN, outer body condition, underbody corrosion status, engine working status, transmission working status, brake system working status, option working status, AC, 4-wheel drive, audio, window switch, sunroof working status, and extra photos if there's any serious problem or significant difference between the car that is being displayed on the website and currently in the yard. Although this inspection has an additional fee, this is only done for the vehicle you are originally interested. If you want to do more inspections on different vehicles, you will have to go further into an additional fee for an additional inspection. These are all the types of inspections available on Autowini, and if you always have more questions, you can always contact your staff for more. Thank you.
Autowini.